Hi, my name is Kai. I'm a software developer and business analyst, and I've been following IOTA since 2018. This video focuses on using the iota-client to build a simple app that sends data to the Tangle. Users can check the result in the Tangle Explorer. It's a use case from the IOTA for Flutter tutorial, which teaches how to create apps using the Rust libraries from IOTA and the Flutter framework from Google to build the front end. The tutorial provides a wealth of information for creating apps from scratch and invites both Flutter and JavaScript developers to explore the decentralized ledger technology of IOTA. The necessary basics are explained, tips are provided, and the complexity of the applications is increased from chapter to chapter. It's time to start embracing adoption. No more excuses. The simple app holds a list of previously sent messages. Using the plus icon, a new message can be written and a corresponding tag can be created. Simply click the button to send it to the Tangle. After a successful transfer, the IOTA client returns the block ID, which is then stored in the app. The success of the transfer can be verified using the Shimmer Tangle Explorer. To do so, access the website using the stored block ID. The app demonstrates how a developer can build an app using an official example from the library. This approach can be adopted by you and used in your own ideas. Wishing you success and enjoyment. By the way, the tutorial is also backed by GitHub repositories that offer the source code for download. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you'd like, you can follow me on Twitter or YouTube. Most importantly, check out the tutorial and try creating an app yourself. Cheers and goodbye.